A blessed new year to you. And I'm continuing the series from my book, Conquering Distress for a Better Marriage Transformation that Produces Lasting Change, from the strategy, Faith Working True Love from Conviction. If in this new year you desire to level up your marriage, you'll have to do some work. But I like to say it is important that you not just work, but you are able to do some smart work. So, why is work important? Well, in this video, I'm going to encourage you to see work from a different perspective, and I'm going to encourage you to be motivated to want to work for your marriage because that is essential if it is your desire to level up your marriage. So, the Bible says, faith without work is dead. I'm going to repeat that. Faith without works is dead. Now, for many believers, we have faith, and that's why the strategy of faith, working through love from conviction, is so powerful and it's so transformative when you're able to apply that strategy to your marriage. However, for the work aspect of things, many believers believe that they can do the spiritual part and not put in as much work that is required to level up their marriage. So it is important that you're able to put in the work. And work can come in different forms. Work can come in the form of reading a book, going to a workshop, going to a seminar, going to a marriage retreat. Work can come in different forms, including going to counseling, coaching, mentorship, speaking to your pastor, speaking to other married couples so that you can enrich your marriage. And what I've come to realize is that if you are not motivated to work, if you are not motivated to invest your time, if you are not motivated to invest in your spouse, in your family, faith without works is dead. And I can guarantee you, if you don't work at your marriage, eventually your marriage will die. That's not God's will. And that's why I want to encourage you. I want to encourage you because in this new year, you'll have to commit to working at your marriage. And one of the ways I believe that this can be done is when you have a shift in the way that you think about work in your marriage. I like to say you got to work smart. And when I say you have to work smart, you have to work in conjunction with your God given roles. Husbands, love your wife as Christ loved the church. Husbands, lead your wife in a way that pleases God. Wives, submit to your husband as unto the Lord and respect your husband. But you have to work in the capacity of your God-given roles if you desire to see change and transformation, especially in this new year, and if it is you have a desire to level up your marriage. And I want to invite you to start this year with a new commitment that you will work towards leveling up your marriage. And that's one reason we designed a brand new workshop that is actually coming up Saturday, March the 7th, called Level Up Your Marriage. In this workshop, we are going to be strategically targeting a couple of areas that we believe if you're able to work at, you will level up your marriage in 2026. You will level up your love life. You will level up your commitment. You will level up your connection to your spouse. You will level up your communication. You will level up not only your marriage, but as an individual, you will level up your life. I want to invite you to register for this upcoming workshop. It is live, it is in person, there are limited seats, and The registration and the information is going to be linked in the description. I'm looking forward to seeing you in person. I want you to like this video, share this video, and invite another married couple who is in the New York area, who has a desire, the same desire as you. That's why you're looking at these videos, because you have a desire to level up your marriage. And I want you to be at this live conference. So for now, faith without works is dead. Let's do some smart work as you have that desire to level up your marriage. See you there. Goodbye.